Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Oni in Rogue Lineage. To begin, understand that Oni is an ultra class focused on raw power and resilience. To unlock this formidable path, you must first fully master the Akuma class. After that, you'll need to face and defeat the lava snake boss alone, ensuring you deal all the damage. Once these trials are complete, seek out Big Hoss to claim your Oni powers. Oni boasts a versatile set of abilities for both offense and defense. Demon Step is your primary mobility tool, granting invincibility frames for quick repositioning and even scaling walls. Demon Flip has two variants. M1 offers defensive invincibility, while M2 is a powerful, guard-breaking attack perfect for initiating devastating combos. Don't forget Axe Kick, a hyper armor move that can guard break and instantly eliminate downed opponents. Mastering Oni involves chaining your abilities into seamless combos. Rising Dragon provides excellent hyper armor and allows you to block while attacking, making it a strong offensive and defensive tool. Its extension, Slam Dunk, delivers a powerful finisher after 4 successful hits. Incorporate Leg Breaker to extend your attack sequences and potentially disable an enemy's leg. Spin Kick can break ribs, slowing foes and setting them up for further punishment. To truly dominate as an Oni, embrace an aggressive, close-quarters playstyle, leveraging your high damage and natural resilience. For optimal performance, consider races like Jin, which offer superior tankiness, speed, and climbing. Enhance your combat with powerful snaps such as Snar, Jelly, or Ignis. Remember to practice move stacking, especially with Demon Flip M2, to unleash your full combo potential and overwhelm your adversaries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.